Welcome dear guys, if you are a domain seller or domain flipper, in your portfolio many domain you have, but you are in searching for a domain marketplace where you can list your domain, you don't know. If you thinking that the process of a domain listing is lengthy and they don't know how they can list, simple, just follow this video. I will tell you how you can list, and all the excuses of your now will disappear when you will see this video. Here I step by step will guide you how you can list your domain on Shadow. Simple and it's a easy process. I can say that if you see this video and all doubts of your will clear free of cost, you can list on Shadow, and how your chances of to sell a domain will increase with if you list your domain with Shadow. So stay with me and let me use my PC screen for detail. Before listing on Shadow, let me tell you how the Shadow respond on a domain that I am going to register here. Malayalamblog.com will be registered here, and here the result Shadow say that this domain already taken and no result here. I can see here no result find for that particular domain. That's the point. And now I need to go on search engine and just type shadow.com. That is the point. Shadow.com, here is the dashboard. In left side you can need here register. You just click on register. If you already with account on Shadow, you can also direct login. Get started with your email, name, confirmation email. That's the point. And save and continue. This is the process. Here is the dashboard, and hope this you will created account and also email confirmation. Third point here given sell domain. That's the simple, everyone here can see our services, park domains, all the other options you don't need to go. First of all, for sell domain you need to sell domain, just click on start selling domains. Three step will be here you need to complete. First is enter domains, second price domains, and activate sub MLS premium. That's not directly related to you. Just simple, put here your domain. First enter up to 200 domains. It means in one time you can put here 200 domains. Here just type your domain name. Second, here you need to complete your agreement privacy policy of Shadow. Second, would you like to use our wizard? You can let, otherwise no thanks, you can here choose. Here you need in second process listing currency. Whatever you prefer, you can choose here currency. And price, Malayalam blog, you need to put a price. Here is the option, price option. Buy now. Buy now means anyone can purchase on the simple. What you here put the amount. And make offer means you putting a price on which anyone can put, but less than 1000 US dollar no one can put. It means minimum offer is the price, is a minimum price. No one can bid, no anyone can bid less than on this with this amount. It means if anyone going to purchase this domain, minimum offer is the price on which anyone need to put equal or more than 1000 with minimum. Here is the third option. Here you need to put the information about the registrar of a domain, and here you can choose if you need to active set up MLSM premium. No thanks, you no need, you just simple and without any paid version you go and finish adding domains. That's the point. Here you are in third step. Third step is completed, and now you will get a self verification code. Here self verification services. Here self verification is the process. Without any delay your domain quickly will be registered with Shadow. That is the point. That's here you need to self verification services. For this, here will be generated a code, and you need to text value in your domain. You can see here your domain ownership verification ID here created. After you click on this domain ownership verification and just copy this verification personal ID. From copy here, you need to put this value on your domain registrar. I am with my registrar where my domain is registered, and in value manage DNS record, DNS name server you need to change, and here the value is text, name is @ and here text value, that is the value that I got just where I register on Shadow on verification code, and in value you need here is 3600 whatever that's given you are instruction. And I just go on a server search engine and where I type malayalamblog.com, and now you can see what type of result will be given here. That is result is malayalamblog.com is here available. Anyone can purchase, make offer, and if anyone go for make offer, you can see minimum offer 1000. If anyone put less than 1000, he is not eligible to make an offer. And for example, here I type just only for example 1100, then I am eligible. If anyone less than $1000, then he is not eligible because you already put a value of minimum offer 1000. That's the point. Many asked what is the minimum price, how we can set minimum price is the value, and it's your authority. Any amount can put here, not determined by Shadow. That is the point. And we continue. If you are going to purchase this domain, that's the simple. How many bid you got, Shadow dashboard will show you, will display how many bids you received. That's the point. So hope this video will help you how you can list on Shadow. On Domain Talk I totally talk about the domain, how you can register your domain free of cost. You can register your domain, what's domain flipping, how you can choose the domain. All the points I discuss in this video on this YouTube channel. And if you are the first time viewer on this video on this YouTube channel, you can subscribe this YouTube channel and we stay with me. And I suggest all of you, if you are in domain flipping, domain seller, or you are in domain marketing, then you need to go on many dashboard, on many website, and use them. If you are find any difficulty, then many video previous time I made for how you can list your domain. That's the simple process. And for having with me and watch this video, I am thankful. And again, all of you, thank you.